Alright, for numbers 5, 6, and 7, the instructions state to reduce the square roots. This we do by dividing by the largest perfect square we can. So for number 5, actually 144 is a perfect square. So if I take the square root of 144, it's just straight up 12. So the square root of 144 is 12. However, you can't take the square root of a negative. And the way we denote that there was a negative in there is by putting an I. So the square root of negative 144 is 12. The I simply means there was a negative in there. For number 6, the same idea. We're going to divide this by the largest perfect square we can. In this case, it's 100. So 100 times 3. 100 is perfect square. And it's a negative. So again, with the negative, we're just going to pull an I out to show that this is an imaginary number. The square root of 100 is 10. And the 3 is left over. So for this one, the square root of negative 300 reduces down to 10i on the square root of 3. Again, the I simply means there was a negative in the radical. And last but not least, we have number 7, the square root of 96. Now, this is the first positive one we had, so we don't have to pull out an I in this case. So I'm going to start dividing this by perfect squares. I'm not perfectly positive as to what this one is off the 10, so I'm going to start just doing my calculator 96 divided by, let's try 49. That doesn't work. That's it. No. Okay, so 49 doesn't work. Then try 36. Yeah, that one doesn't work. Divide 25. I know if 25 doesn't work. And keep on going down until we get to 16. 16 actually works. So 96 is the square root of 16 times 6. And since we can take the square root of the 16 becomes a 4. And the 6 is left over. So square root of 96 reduces down to 4 on the square root of 6.